Facebook's restricted feature is your virtual shield in the social media world. When you add someone to a restricted list, you grant them limited access to your posts and interactions. This video explains how to restrict and unrestrict friends, and how to check Facebook if you're restricted. First, how do I restrict someone on Facebook? On a computer, start by logging into your Facebook account and navigating to the profile of the individual you want to restrict. On their profile, find the Friends button, which you may have already connected through. Click the Friends button and select Add to another list from the drop-down menu. Select Restricted. This will effectively add them to your restricted list. On mobile, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and find the profile of the person you want to restrict. Click the Friends button on their profile. A menu will appear. Select Add to another list. Select Restricted from the options provided. By performing these simple steps, you can successfully restrict someone on Facebook and thus control what they can and cannot see on your profile. So how do you remove restrictions from someone on Facebook? Method 1. Using your Facebook profile to remove someone from your restricted list, sign into your Facebook account and navigate to your profile page. Click on Friends below your cover photo. Scroll down to find and select Restricted. You will see a list of people in the restricted list. Find the person you want to remove the restriction. Select Remove Restrictions from the drop-down menu. Method 2. Using a friend's profile alternatively, you can go to the profile of the person you want to remove the restriction from. Click the Friends button on their profile. Select Remove Restrictions from the options provided. To see a list of your restricted friends on Facebook, first log into your account and visit your profile page. Find the Friends button directly below your cover photo and click on it. In the menu that appears, find the Custom List option. Find Restricted. This will show you the names of all the friends you have placed in the restricted list. So one wonders, if you find out that you've been restricted by a friend or family member, how do you view their Facebook content? You can use MoniMaster, a powerful and versatile program that can help you view your Facebook profile even if you have been placed on the restricted list. Not only that, you can also view chats, location information and much more. All you need to do is visit the MoniMaster website and sign up for an account. Choose the right MoniMaster package. And follow the prompts to complete the setup. After success, click on Dashboard, find Social Media, select Facebook, and you can view Facebook posts, messages, interactions, etc. of relevant people. Hurry up and click on the exclusive YouTube offer below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and comment.